are present over here. My name is Bhalakshmi Bain. So today I am going to present a short speech on my journey of English Medium Institute. And as you can see that I have achieved the best student of the year. This is the success of my 1 year of hard work. This is because of Pawan sir, Gyana sir and Soyam sir. I have also challenged my trainer Pawan sir that I will become the student of the year of 2025 and 26, and this is here. Today I am really happy. And when I came here for the first day, it was like really scared. It means I was really scared, and Pawan sir also motivated me and my sister. And we also not confident that time, and 2 to 3 months we practiced, and then we get some improvement, and then in between the student of the month and many types of activities also happened. I love that activities, and this is my journey, and thank you for giving me a chance for presenting a short speech on student of the year.